Hi, this is John Kelly again, back to step 2 of our multi-step tutorial here for the Perfect Color and Cut group. With your website, we're showing you how to do the administration portion of it, how to take care of your content. In the last step, the very first step, we gave you an introductory of how to get into this website and how to actually add some content to the home page here. Well, in this step, we're going to get a little bit more involved and go back into that editor and show you some more stuff. Now, if we're still logged in, you'll notice down here in the bottom right, it says Site Admin, meaning that we are still logged in. If I click it, it takes me back to the control panel or the back end. The other way I can get back in there as a shortcut is you'll also notice it says Edit this entry. What that means, it'll take me directly into this page itself, so I can bypass all the other steps that I would normally do by going to Site Admin. So it doesn't really matter, we can go either way, but we'll click on this entry because we want to edit this particular one. Now, as this opens up, you'll also notice something up top here. If you accidentally left a page without saving it, WordPress will automatically save your information up here. It tells you that, hey, I made a copy of your stuff here because you didn't save it the last time. So if you ever want to get that, well, all you do is you scroll down to the bottom here where you click the link in that red box up there. It takes you down here and it says here's all your different ones. Now you can click on each one and it'll show you what's in it, and you can restore that and bring it back and use that again if you would like. But for right now, we're not going to do that. But in our editor here, we left off by adding content. We either typed it in or we showed you we can copy and paste into here, and then we preview our change by clicking Preview Changes, or when we're ready to save everything and make it live to the public, we click Update Page. Now there's some other things in here that we're going to want to do today, and let's just say that I decide on one of these pages I want to add a picture. Okay, so to do so, it's no problem. First off, you got to have a picture saved somewhere, whether it's on your computer or elsewhere, but we're going to place it somewhere in here on the screen. So let's just say that I'm going to place it up here. I just click anywhere here on my screen, roughly horizontally where I would like the picture to be. So if I wanted it to be somewhere down here, I would click down here. But I want to click up here next to the number 1, and what I'm going to do is go up here where it says Upload or Insert, and it says Picture. Well, it actually says Add an Image. So when I scroll over that first little icon there, and it's not very obvious, that's why I want you to pay close attention here. When I click over that, it says Add an Image. I click it. That's going to open up an upload box. It's going to say, where do you want to add an image from? Your computer, from another address, from your gallery, if you already have saved pictures in there. If you notice, we have one in there now. Well, I want to take one off my computer like you would. So I'm going to select my picture that I want to upload. So if it's on my desktop, I'll go to my desktop, wherever it may be. I'm going to navigate to the picture, go find it, and here's the picture I want to upload. And that picture will show me that this is the one that I want it. And this is not a very large picture, it's actually a small picture of me. And I can give this a title. Now a title simply means when I move my mouse over something and that little yellow box pops up, that's what you'll see in the title. So I'll get rid of that underscore there. If I want to give this a caption, well, I can do that. I can just simply say John Kelly 6x6 design, and that's going to pop up in a box underneath the picture when I go to insert it. If I want to give it a description for extra wording to describe the picture, I can do so, and I can also even make this a link. If somebody clicked on that picture, it can make it a link to somewhere. So to make a link, go find where you wanted to link it to by going up top here and copying and pasting whatever that page is you want to link to. Simply copy that and paste it, and that'll make a link. Well, if we want to make a link just out of this and go directly to the home page, well, I'll just put that right there. Okay, so let's just say that I want to take this and I want to right align it on my page. Okay, well, I click the little button that says right align, and it's going to be full size. It's not a very big picture, and then I simply insert into the post. When I do that, it also saves this into my library too. Now we go back to my screen, you can see what it did. It put my picture in there, it gave me a caption. If I don't want the caption, no problem. I can click on that picture, I can go back up here, and you've noticed I can edit the image. It'll open that picture up for editing again, and there you go. I can control the size of that picture, and I can also get rid of the caption if I want to. So if I decide to get rid of the caption, I can do that. If I want to get rid of the link, I can do that. But I'll leave the link there just to show you what it does. So I go ahead and hit update, and there you go, got rid of the caption. Now if you notice also, we can take this and preview it and see what our changes look like. So I'll go to preview changes, and once my preview opens up, we can see, there we go, we added a picture or right aligned it on the page. If you notice, my hand comes up on this, so if I click this, it's going to act as a link. And if you notice, what it's going to do is it opens up the home page. Now you don't see the picture here now because I opened up the page that isn't saved yet, is what we just did. So again, we were in preview there. So, but if I do want to save this, I simply go to update page, and now my picture is saved. And you can notice over here it says page updated, and you can go and view the page and do whatever you want. Now if you wanted that caption turned back on again, no problem. You just go up there and click on edit image, go back in there and type in your caption, and click update. Puts the caption back in there. So it's a good way to add a description to any one of your images when you want to do that. Okay, well that's a quickie on how to add a picture or something into your particular page or blog post, whichever it may be. And as we go into other tutorials, we're going to show you more stuff that we can do here in the editor, and we'll go from there in the next couple upcoming tutorials. We'll see you then.